Children, today we will do chapter 6, that is more about Windows. Already I have explained few basic terms of Windows 7. We had a chapter MS Windows 7, that was chapter 2. So we'll continue with that. In this lesson I will tell you how to set the wallpaper, how to set the screensaver. Okay boys. Now what is MS Windows? MS means Microsoft. Okay. Now we call it MS Windows because it was developed by Microsoft Corporation to run your personal computers. Now Windows is an operating system. We call it OS. Now what is operating system? Operating system is the name given to a computer program that allow us to operate a computer. So it is the first software which we require to start a computer. Okay, an operating system helps a user to give an input to the computer, means we give commands, instructions, and then we get the output. Okay, the computer runs according to our instruction, whatever the command we give, so the computer works according to that only. So the first program, the first software that is required to start a computer, that is called operating system. So Windows is an operating system. A computer cannot function without an operating system. Like you have a car and you don't have a driver, the car will not move. Or you have a car and you don't have petrol in the car will not move. So you need operating system. Okay, that's the software. Like Linux, Unix, DOS, these are also operating system, but we are using Windows, so Windows is also an operating system. Now, there are certain terms in Windows, so I'll tell you about that. Now, desktop. Now, what is a desktop? The screen that appears after booting of the Windows operating system, that is called desktop. When you start your computer, booting will start your computer, the screen that appears on your computer, that is called desktop. Okay, and then on the desktop you have icons. Okay, so now what is wallpaper? The background image on the desktop. When you start your computer, the screen that appears, that is desktop, but the background image, that is called wallpaper. Now you can change the wallpaper. You can put your own picture or picture of the school or of your parents. Okay, you can change the wallpaper. So the background image on the desktop is called wallpaper. Now what is screensaver? Suppose you are working on a computer and you have to go somewhere, you have not shut down your computer. So after certain time, you have to specify the time when you are not using a computer, it is idle. So a screen comes, moving screen, that is called screensaver. Actually, it saves the screen. Okay, that is called screensaver. Now icons. What are icons? The small pictures seen on the desktop, like Recycle Bin, My Computer, Google Chrome, or even if you have any game, so you have that icon of that game. So small pictures, these are called icons. Actually, these are software. These are also programs. When you click on that, that program will open. Now taskbar, the long horizontal bar seen at the bottom of the screen, that is called the taskbar. Okay, boys. Now, what is a file? A file is a collection of data stored in a computer and a name is given to it. Okay. Now, it can be of any type. It can be a picture, audio, video, text. Okay. So, when you store that, it's a file. Now, what is a folder? A folder is a storage space or container where many files can be placed. So, you keep all the files inside a folder. Now folder can also contain other folders and these are called subfolders. So you can make folder inside a folder. Now files are of different types. If you click a picture of your friend, then it can be saved as an image or graphics file. Okay, so it's in the form of image. Now, if you record your voice in the computer, then you can save it as an audio file. Now, it will be audio file. Now, if you shoot a video of your birthday party, then it can be saved as a video file. So you have image file, audio file, video file. Now, if you type a letter using a computer program, then it can be saved as a text file. So files store different types of information. Now, how to change the background settings in Windows 7? Now, if you want to change the wallpaper, what you have to do? Right click the desktop background. Now, boys, I'm telling you about Windows 7. Okay, you may have Windows 10 or Windows 8, so it may be a little different. So here, what I'm talking about Windows 7. So if you want to change the wallpaper, so what you do, first right click the desktop background, you take the mouse pointer and you right click OK, and then select personalize. Then click desktop background to open the settings. Okay. Then to change the desktop image, select one of the standard backgrounds or click browse and navigate to a picture stored on the computer. So you can put any picture that is stored on your computer as a wallpaper. Now, how to set up a screensaver. To set up a screensaver, right click the desktop and choose personalize. Click the screensaver button. Now from the screensaver drop down list, choose a screensaver. So there are various screensavers, so it's up to you that the screensavers are moving pictures. So you can select any screensaver. Now click the preview button to preview. If you want to see, you have to click on preview. Then click to stop the preview, click OK, and then click the close button. Now, what is Windows Explorer? Actually, Windows Explorer is a program to view and manage the file and folders. So Windows Explorer is the main tool that you can use to interact with Windows 7. Okay, you'll need to use the Windows Explorer to view your libraries, files and folders. How to access? You can access Windows Explorer by clicking the Start menu and then clicking either computer or one of your many folders such as documents, pictures or music. Boys, you'll understand only when you do it practically, okay? So what I'm telling you about Windows 7. So you may say, sir, what you said, it's not coming that way because you may be using some other version of Windows. Okay, because it's in your syllabus, Windows 7. So I'm talking to you about Windows 7. Now, how to access Windows Explorer in Windows 7? First, right-click the Start menu button. Select Open Windows Explorer. In the Search Libraries text box in the upper right corner of the window, enter your search item. Whatever you want to search, you have to just type in, okay? You will notice the drop-down area that appears, allowing you to filter your search. So if you are looking for a particular file or folder, just type that. Now, boys, again, I'm telling you, when we have online classes, I'll show you practically, okay, by sharing the screen. So this is the way to how to access Windows Explorer. Please, you can see this what you call slide. You do according to the instructions given. Again, I'm telling you, it is for Windows 7. Now, what are gadgets? Gadgets are small programs that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. Like you have calendar, clock, weather. So these are all gadgets. Can you see the picture? Yes, like clock, calendar, CPU meter also. You can see the speed of that. So these are all gadgets. Gadgets are actually small programs. These are all small programs. So boys, in this lesson I've explained few terms of Windows. Okay boys, thank you.